In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a YouTube thumbnail in Adobe Express. Creating a captivating thumbnail is one of the most crucial steps in attracting viewers to your YouTube videos, and Adobe Express makes this process both easy and fun. Let's dive right in and explore how you can create a standout thumbnail for your video. First, head over to the Adobe Express Thumbnail Maker. You'll want to go specifically to the Create Thumbnail YouTube page. This will guide you to a workspace that's tailored for designing YouTube thumbnails. You have the option to either start with a template or jump into creating a blank canvas. Adobe Express offers a wide range of YouTube thumbnail templates, which can provide a solid foundation if you're not sure where to begin. These templates are specifically designed to ensure your thumbnail is eye-catching. If you prefer a more personalized touch or a completely unique design, consider starting with a blank canvas. The recommended size for YouTube thumbnails is 1280 by 720 pixels, so you'll want to make sure your canvas is set to these dimensions. Next, you'll need to upload or import your image or images that you'll be using for the thumbnail. This could be a still from your video, a photo of you, or any other relevant imagery that ties into the video's content. This image will form the visual backbone of your thumbnail and should be both engaging and representative of what viewers can expect from the video. Now, let's move on to customizing the text. It's important to add bold, eye-catching titles or words to your thumbnail that instantly give viewers an idea of your video's topic. Choose fonts and colors that stand out and are readable at a glance. Remember, simplicity and clarity are key here. You want your text to be readable, even on smaller screens. To further enhance your thumbnail and give it a professional touch, consider adding shapes, icons, effects, or your personal logo or branding. This not only makes your thumbnail more visually appealing, but also helps with brand recognition, making it easier for viewers to connect your content with your channel. If you want certain elements of your image to really stand out, make use of the Remove Background tool. This feature allows you to separate a subject, like yourself or another main focus, from the background. It's especially useful for making specific subjects pop and adding depth to your thumbnail design. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to download your finished thumbnail. Typically, you'll want to save it as a JPG or PNG for optimal quality. Finally, head over to YouTube Studio to upload your new thumbnail to your video. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating an attractive and effective YouTube thumbnail using Adobe Express. With this tool, you're well equipped to create thumbnails that not only grab attention, but also represent your content in the best possible way.